Welcome. It's a beautiful morning here in Largs, Scotland. I'm Robert Steadman, motor yacht broker at Berthon, and I have the pleasure of showing you over this 2007 built Dale Nelson Classic 45 little toy. And she is centre stage here in the marina, and I'm a big fan of these boats. Few builders have managed to match these stunning good looks, bullish seakeeping and practical design. Exceptionally finished. So Dale yachts are located in Pembrokeshire. They're founded in 1961 and situated off the Welsh coastline. They build and design elegant motor yachts that are built to go to sea, ranging from 23 to 45 foot. So Little Toy is build number 005, and with only 14 built to date, she is a rare find on the brokerage market. This deep, rich blue hull was resprayed by Dale in 2017 with All Grip, arguably one of the best paints on the market. Rubber defendering points to her commercial roots. For those of you who don't know, Arthur Mersall designed the hull, and he was director of TT Designs, who were responsible for the famous Nelson range. These hulls were laminated with a vinyl ester and then epoxy treated before anti-foul was painted on. So you have teak to the bathing platform, cockpit, locker tops and side decks. You can see that veneered varnished teak, the transom. So boarding from the transom is made easy. It's an electro-hydraulic door that comes down, as you can see. So it's a great space for entertaining. You sit very much inside the boat. It gives you that nice protective feeling. And there are cushions for the outside, currently away for the winter. You've got lots of storage in those lockers. And on the deck is a lazarette which houses the generator and batteries. So teak steps lead you to the wide side decks. Tall stainless steel bulwarks continue that feeling of protection, and the boat having an arm around you. Up forward we have the anchor locker. This houses a 30 kilo stainless steel claw anchor. March 2018, and they fitted a Lemoir chain counter as well. So stainless steel bollard here, it's properly polished and a good indication of the attention to detail that's gone into this boat. 3 forward facing screens that are green tinted and have pantographing wipers. You can see those deck hatches let ventilation into the accommodation. She is in beautiful condition and has clearly been loved through the years. So we'll take a look inside the accommodation. Got a split door there, so you can have one side open. Entering the saloon, got this nice red leather upholstery, which offsets really nicely with the American cherry joinery, which is something to be admired. Timber and veneer floors to the wheelhouse and galley. So we have twin helm chairs finished in cream leather. Then we have the Ray Marine navigation. So we've got twin E120 plotters. We have a 4 kilowatt ray dome, so radar, autopilot, AIS, an anemometer, radar reflector, VHF, and a high definition depth sounder on this boat. So she is well equipped. Having a look where we have the generator switch, also the breaker switches. Have a navigation station. So this boat is equipped with bow and stern thruster. Makes docking really simple. You also have a plug-in helm station on the port quarter, so you can drive from the cockpit. Just going to watch the electric window slide down. Bringing the outside in. Works really nicely. It's a really good space, comfortable seating for 6. You can see we've got that leafed varnish table, so that will fold out to create a larger space. And the interior is a really warm place to be. Little drinks fridge. So a few steps down and you have the galley on the starboard side. Of the Korean worktops with a moulded stainless steel sink with mixer tap. Again, lots of storage. Siemens appliances, so that's an electric oven and a 2-burner hob. Again, this boat is equipped with a generator. So settee off to port, and that table can be dropped and a double berth created with infill cushion. And then a curtain can be pulled across to give some privacy for when guests are overnighting. Ship's clock and barometer. You can see those nice handrails you'll see throughout the boat, pointing to its seaworthiness. So master cabin is large and has an island double berth. Masses of storage. Really good couple cruising boat, this one. So we'll have a look at the ensuite, which will also second as a dayhead, standalone shower. Then we've got a freshwater electric head. That shower tray drains directly into a grey water tank. So again, she's in really good condition and it's a really welcoming place to be. Great for a couple staying on board, but also for guests to overnight briefly. So you can see these helm chairs sliding forward. This actually creates a larger space in the saloon, so more seating available. Really neat idea. It just makes the most of that saloon area, so big thumbs up to Dale. So time to have a look in the engine bay. Really good use of space. We have a pair of Caterpillar C9s in here. They are 575 horsepower apiece, and these have been professionally maintained by her skipper. Really nicely laid out engine room, lots of soundproofing as you can see. You can see the fuel filters are easy to get to. The engine room's nicely painted out in white. So going back to these engines, they're an inline 6-cylinder 4-stroke diesel engine and they're rated to 2,500 RPM. They're on twin disc gearboxes. So top speed is just shy of 30 knots and a comfortable cruise of 20, you'll have a range of just under 500 nautical miles, so it's pretty impressive. There is a SVM mode on these engines and that will reduce the horsepower for slow speed manoeuvring. So you've got a Victron Energy 24-volt battery charger with inverter. There is another separate battery charger for the generator. All these engines include alarms and the HIM exhaust temperature alarm as well, so you will be well in the know if there's a problem. So it's beautifully presented and well maintained example of this stunning Dale Nelson 45 Classic, available now with Berthon.